Diseases often attack your mental and physical being. But do you know this fact that disease can also be used as a political tool? Yes, this is the story of two long rivals, US and Russia. Hello friends, welcome to the in news series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about Havana syndrome. So, moving towards the points of discussion part. First of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss what is Havana syndrome, then what the investigation said about the Russia's and US allegation to Russia regarding Havana syndrome, and then on which location this Havana syndrome has erupted. Then we are also going to discuss the causes of Havana syndrome and also what is the correct position of Havana syndrome in India, and then practice question prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving towards the news part. So, what had happened that US has made allegations on Russia that because of your conspiracy, our officials are suffering from Havana syndrome. And the Kremlin has rejected all these allegations and they said they are baseless allegations which had made on Russia. So, this is the news we are going to cover in today's session. Moving to the next slide. So next slide is about what is Havana syndrome. So we'll have a brief introduction about what is Havana syndrome. So what had happened that in the recent past, especially after 2016, we have seen that various US officials, embassy officials had faced these kind of the Havana syndrome. And what are the symptoms we have? So in that symptom, there is a disorientation of the mind. You feel like noise, even without any noise, outside noise, you feel like insomniac. So these are the symptoms, major symptoms of Havana syndrome, and which can be found mostly in the US officials. So this is the basically a brief introduction of the Havana syndrome, that it affects your balance system, it also affects your mind, and it can disorient your mind, it can disorient your sleep and various mental issues. So basically it is a mental problem. So this is a brief introduction about the Havana syndrome. And as the name suggests, Havana, so this is the capital city of the Cuba. And what had happened in Cuba, that in 2016, both the country US and Cuba has normalized their relation. And since that, the US has established an embassy in the Cuba. And after that, we can see that Havana syndrome can be found in the US official. So this is the brief background about the Havana syndrome. Moving to the next slide. Next slide is about what did the investigation find. So recently the US has done an investigation, and in that investigation they had made severe allegations on Russia, and they had named a weapon, and the weapon name is 29155. And according to that weapon, this weapon is used as to disorient the minds of the US officials, and it inserts direct energy and it is used as a weapon. And according to the investigation, these kind of weapons are also used not just for the US official, it has been also used to disorient the mind of their family also. And the third allegation is that the first incident has been occurred in the Germany before 2016. So as it is said that it was first reported in 2016, but similar incidences had happened in Germany before 2016 also. So these are the findings of the investigations. Moving to the next one. Next one is about where has Havana syndrome been found. So I already have told you that it is basically found in the US officials, and where US officials are traveled, where the embassy is located, where the spies are working. So in that countries we have found the Havana syndrome, and around 130 cases has been reported regarding the Havana syndrome, and these are the country Russia, Poland, Georgia, Taiwan, Colombia, Moscow, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan and Austria. And recently we have also seen that Kamala Harris was about to travel the Vietnam, but she could not because she has found a case of Havana syndrome in Vietnam. One of the US official got affected by this, so she has postponed her this schedule to the Vietnam. So this is the location where Havana syndromes had been found. Moving to the next one. Next one is about causes of the Havana syndrome. So no one is sure about that what is the exact cause of the Havana syndrome. So many people elect that it is a sonic attack which has been used in Cuba, and they earlier what we have seen that Cuba and this US are not on a good terms. So maybe it is a conspiracy of the Cuba also. And the second thing is that a new finding have been found that high powered microwaves. So high powered microwaves can cause the Havana syndrome, which can dislocate your mental orientation, which can affect your sleep, which can affect your balance system, and there will be no coordination with the body and the mind. So the microwaves, generally our mobile phones and laptops also emit the microwaves, but that are not targeted. These are the high amount of the microwaves, and a gadget has been used, and in the area where the US officials are working. So because of that, these kind of the Havana syndromes are find in the US officials, but we don't know the exact what is the exact cause of the Havana syndrome. These are the speculation and these are the findings which has been researched till now. So it was said to have built pressure inside the brain, because if you use high amount of the microwaves, so that can dislocate, and that can also pump up high energy to your brain, and that can also cause the brain damage. So this is a very severe thing for the mental being. Then come to that Havana syndrome in India. So in 2021, a case has been reported of Havana syndrome in India, and that too among the US official. But since then, we don't have any case related to the Havana syndrome. So till now, India has not witnessed any cases related to the Havana syndrome. So this is the exact condition of India in terms of the Havana syndrome. Moving to the question part. So the question is related to Havana syndrome, and the first statement is it was originated in Cuba, and the second statement is nausea, vertigo, headaches, memory loss and balance issues are the main symptoms. And here you have to find the correct statement. So kindly answer in the comment section. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.